Jennifer.
Marty. I had the worst nightmare. Marty, that dream I had is so real. It's about the future. About us. And you got fired.
Wait a minute, what do you mean I got fired? Hilldale. Hilldale, this is where we live. I mean, this is where we're gonna live. Someday.
Marty, it was a dream, wasn't it?
Hey! The big L. How's it hanging, McFly?
Hey, Needles.
Nice set of wheels. Let's see what she can do. Next green light.
No thanks.
What's the matter? Chicken?
Marty, don't.
Grab a hold of something.
Come on! Get up!
On purpose?
Hey, you think I'm stupid enough to race that asshole? Jeez. I would have hit that Rolls Royce.